Hi guys, I'm Stephanie with pdq.com. In today's video, we're going to show you how to filter using the where clause. So we're going to introduce that and then go into a little bit more detail. So again, we'll start with our simple select statement, selecting all rows, all columns, select star from computers. In PDQ Inventory, we do have a computer filter that's built in that's very specific to just this product only. It won't actually work in another text editor. So pay attention to this this computer filter in these caret symbols here. When we say a where computer filter, that's referring to a collection source if you would like to select a collection source in PDQ Inventory. So when I say here, I can filter down, like let's say I want to look in our reboot required, and it's only going to run results in just that reboot required collection source. Now, we can completely take that away and filter in other ways as well. But when you do that inside PDQ Inventory, that is going to render results from all computers in your network no matter what. So as long as that's okay with you, you can get rid of the computer filter in the carets and then filter in any other way that you want. So let's say we want to filter by like a computer ID. Let's say we'll say where the computer ID equals 8. A random number. This is an integer. And because it's an integer, we don't actually have to put it in quotations. So when we run the report, we should only see one row, which we see here. And it is computer ID is 8. The name is noob. And that's the one result that we actually render when we specify more directly in the where clause. Thanks everyone. This is just a short introduction into using the where clause in SQLite inside of PDQ Inventory. Until next time, I'm Stephanie with pdq.com.